Good morning, Little Tummy Food executives. We are the legal team at Brown Wines Limited. I'm Abby.
I'm Ella.
I'm Terry.
We appreciate the analysis and provide legal advice on your proposed marketing campaign for the new protein snack bar. Today, we'll cover the analysis and compliance of the poster with the Fair Trading Act 1986 and the relevant advertising standards. Initially, according to the provided poster, your target audience, children, will be attracted by the eye-catching and well-known cartoon character Mickey Mouse, which will generate interest in the product. Mr. Mickey employs hyperbolic language in the tagline, "Want to have one every day," to encourage the target audience to purchase and eat the product regularly. Furthermore, your protein bar underlines that it is sweetened with stevia, which implies indirectly to consumers that this product ingredient is healthy. Also employs more obtrusive characters to explain that 95% of the sweeteners originate from sugar. In the advertisement's headline, your protein bar includes 4 grams of protein. According to research, an ideal protein bar will contain at least 10 grams of protein per serving. Thus, this product might be treated as an unhealthy food that's not advised for children. Therefore, it might breach 1H and 2G of the advertising standard code, as it encourages consumers to excessively purchase high sugar and unhealthy products. And it's not appropriate to target children, as the 4 grams of protein is not even enough for an adult.
From the Sugar Nutrition Resource Center, occasional food is defined as food that we enjoy eating, but are not a necessary part of a diet. The protein bar is reasonable to define as an occasional food. From the guidelines of Rule 1J, the Advertising Standards Authority suggests that the healthy or better for you options should be promoted. And the poster uses the Mickey Mouse to state the protein bar is suitable for daily consumption, which has breached Rule 1J. From the given information, your company wants to promote the product by focusing on supermarkets and areas around the playgrounds. From the guidelines of Rule 1I, the place has more than 25% expected audience are children, and child viewing time zones and locations include playground, which means the advertisement is not allowed to place there. Rule 1H states that licensed characters should be used responsibly. However, in this case, Mickey Mouse is more likely to mislead or encourage people to buy the occasional food, especially one that contains high sugar. Secondly, we will evaluate the compliance of the poster with the Fair Trading Act 1986. From the bottom part of the poster, it states that made from the best ingredients with a kiwi bird logo, and also states certified delicious. It might breach because there are no reasonable grounds and evidence to support the words best and certified. Arguably, it might be defended as puffery. That is, a reasonable person would not rely on these statements and consider them to be truthful. Although the target people are children, the decision of buying a protein bar most likely depends on their parents. Also, the kiwi bird logo implies to consumers that the products contain native New Zealand ingredients, but in reality, the ingredients used are imported. It might be a misleading and deceptive statement for consumers to decide whether to buy the protein bar. It is illegal to make statements about goods that cannot be substantiated. Another problem is the fine print, which include essential information that could impact one's purchasing decisions, must be readable and not be concealed in small font. The poster used a bold font to emphasize stevia as a sweetener, yet only disclose that each bar is sweetened with 5% stevia, and 95% sugar is shown in a small print at the right edge of the poster. As a result, many people may overlook this information and be misled into thinking stevia is the sole sweetener in the protein bars.
For the consequence of breaching the Fair Trading Act, it might lead to civil and criminal liability, such as compensation, pecuniary penalty, and fines. The Advertising Standards Authority might investigate and remove the advertisement. There's also potential reputational damage to LTF and Disney. It might lead to a considerable potential loss on profit and consumer trust, also the potential compensation sought from Disney. To solve these problems, firstly, we need to modify Mickey Mouse statement. For example, it is great to have one after sports, or it is a great snack when getting hungry. Secondly, clarify and put the actual content and ingredients of the protein bar, such as who certified it is delicious and how it is made from the best ingredients. Also, we suggest you to rewrite a truthful statement about the use of stevia and sugar, such as our product is sweetened with a mix of stevia and sugar, or you can adjust the natural ingredients of the product, containing more percentage of stevia sweets and less sugar, then it would be more suitable for your current target group. According to Children and Young People's Advertising Code, occasional food must not state children as its target group. Therefore, if you do not wish to adjust the amount of sugar, we would advise you to change your target group to adults, and especially athletes. Through the above analysis and advice, reasonable adoption can effectively reduce the risk of non-compliance, and be sure to advertise in a manner that ensures compliance with New Zealand law, including Fair Trading Act 1986 and the relevant advertising standards. AB Ella Terry, as the legal team of Brandwise Limited, we are appreciative to help your company. If you have any further assistance, please do not hesitate to contact us. Thank you.